My name is Deline Grant, Ontario Superior Court of Justice, motion record and order. We're now at tab L. I'm going through, and as I said, as I'm going through, you'll be familiar with some of the documents because we have already been through those other presentation, but I have to bring this forward because I'm addressing this tab here. I'm addressing this section here from the Superior Court of Justice. Just to show you that I have proof and what happened and that this information is just false. It should be scrapped from the legal system, okay? Please feel free to pause and read if I'm going too fast. I'm just going to summarize as I go along, okay? Thank you. So for tab L, it is email correspondence dated September 28, 2020, okay? L, email correspondence dated September 28, 2020. Courtney Madison, NAIMARK law, had already informed the defense HICKS MORLEY law without my consent that the examination for discovery would be adjourned and rescheduled. As you can recall, these two emails from Courtney Madison, okay? So on September 28, 2020, okay, the day before the examination for discovery, Courtney was trying to get me to cancel, okay? 2:19 p.m. when after I spoke with her earlier, prior to 2 p.m. there, morning, afternoon there, she said here, I confirm I have recommended to you that we engage in settlement discussions and adjourn your discovery by 1 month, okay? Then that's 2:19 p.m. Then the same day, Monday, September 28, 2020, at 3:19 p.m., she's going to say, again, I would highly recommend that you accept my advice to put over the discovery 1 month and to focus on negotiating, right, a settlement in the interim. Now, I was at an appointment, at an examination, actually, appointment, right? And I came out, when I got in my car, it was 3:50. By the time I left and got in my vehicle, it was 3:50. And when I opened my email, I realized this. And it says, if she didn't hear from me by 3:45, they will cancel, right? Courtney called me at 3:51. Yeah, 3:51. Oh, she knew to call me then, eh? Just thought of that. Anyway, as you can see, hence the letter, okay? Because again, she was corresponding with the defense, as you can see on the next slide. Thank you. At 3:50, when I got in my vehicle, that's when I was made aware that my lawyer, Courtney Madison, had cancelled the examination for discovery, which was for September 29, 2020. Okay, I saw the email that says it would have been cancelled at 3:45. So Courtney contacted me at 3:51. Okay, and while we were on the phone, I didn't realize that things were going on behind the scene, eh? Because here from Amy Tibble, right, it says here, sent Monday, September 28, 2020 at 3:58 p.m. Courtney Madison, NAIMARK law, and I were on the phone even up till after 4. Yeah, so this email, they were doing things behind the scene, you see, with and I did not know. You understand? So here, as you see, Amy copied in Courtney Madison, NAIMARK law, and Joanna. Okay, Joanna is from MANULIFE, huh? And it says here, hi Joanna, from Amy Tibble, right? She said, hi Joanna, the discovery for tomorrow will be adjourned and rescheduled. The parties, I did not know, so she said the parties, huh? The parties are contemplating pre-discovery mediation, and as well, we'll keep you in the loop. Okay, so while on the phone, my lawyer was communicating with the defense, I guess Samantha Bray, Denise Coy, whoever, what they were doing their stuff. Please feel free to review. Thank you. I've enlarged it for you, okay? See below recap of a few events that led to the above deception. Courtney Madison NAIMARK law cancelled the examination for discovery on September 29, 2020. Her final reason for cancelling was that it should have been a mediation. Did she just realize that 1 year and 2 months later? We went through this. Be free to read again. As I said, I brought these forward again because I'm addressing the tabs, okay, from the Ontario Superior Court. In here, it says about 28, 2020. The same thing is the same thing here. 2:03 p.m. It's clearer here. I have highlighted here, but it's clearer here. It says that I have given thought to our conversation this afternoon in regards to cancelling my examination for discovery scheduled for tomorrow, September 29. I sent this to Courtney. Yes, I sent this to Courtney, and it's because we had a telephone conversation, right? So that's why I was thinking about what she said, and she said that it should have a mediation 1 month, right, from the date. 1 month from the date. As a matter of fact, that's what it says. 1 month from the date. So the mediation would have been, say, October 28th, okay? And I was not in agreement, okay? Please feel free to review. Thank you. And Courtney responded, and Courtney was saying that she think I should adjourn, right? Adjourn the discovery, examination for discovery, right? By 1 month. Still not an agreement. She said at 2:19 p.m. and also at 3:19 p.m. she did say put over discovery 1 month, right? And if you didn't hear from me, she was going to cancel, as you can see here, and she did cancel. Okay, and no, we did not have a discovery. We did not have any mediation, no information at all from Courtney in October and November. Please feel free to review. Thank you. And as again, breach of contract. This was included. NAIMARK clause cancelled, as you were made aware, cancelled without my consent. And again, client supposed to make the critical decision, right? As a matter of fact, they were the client because they weren't asking me any question. They were doing their own thing. So I guess that's why they had the right to cancel. My signature on the contract, but they had a right to cancel, eh? Wow. There it is. Client, you see, will make all critical decisions. We went through this already. Thank you. Okay. And here it's on the contract. I brought it forward again. One of several breaches, okay? Client to make all critical decisions. Instead, as you were made aware that Sanjay Mistry called me, and he called me about the motor vehicle accident, and that's why he was able to speak with Courtney and all that, and a meeting was scheduled for December 11, 2020 at 11 a.m. The meeting that's supposed to be September 25th at 2 p.m. was now going to be December 11th, 2020, because I had to say something. Yeah, please feel free to review again. Thanks. Now we are at M. Tab M. Email correspondence dated December 8, 2020 with attached mediation confirmation and agreement. M. Email correspondence dated December 8, 2020 with attached mediation confirmation agreement. And I said here, Courtney Madison NAIMARK law had no intention of meeting with me, but instead to deliberately delay my cases again to frustrate. As soon as I inquired on November 30th, 2020 about the meeting Courtney Madison contacted the defense and made arrangements for a mediation date to ensure that she was prepared for our meeting dated December 11, 2020. And I did show that to you, okay? It was part of the motion. Please see my presentation on NAIMARK law firm, which contain the detail of this information here, okay? I'll be going through very quickly. All right, as you can recall, where we left off with Courtney Madison, my examination for discovery was cancelled in September without my consent. She said she in a month's time she will contact me. October came, ended. November came, ended. It was Sanjay Mystery who contacted me on November 30th, re motor vehicle accident, and I did ask him about Courtney and my discovery, examination for discovery. So he informed me that he will advise Courtney to set a meeting. All right, fine. When I finished the call with Sanjay at about 11 a.m. on November 30th, 2020, right? But I retrieved it from the motion, and it shows that there were communication going on November 30th, right? Between the hours of 12 p.m. and 1:30 p.m. With NAIMARK law and MANULIFE insurance and HICKS MORLEY law. Okay, I've extracted this section here. Okay, as you can see, November 30th, right here. 2020 at 1:22 p.m. Denise was responding based off conversations that was going on prior, right? And she said, we can make this date work. I will hold. So she's with these entities making plans on that day. It's as if they did not care at all. They did not contact me about my cases, about another date for examination for discovery, nothing, right? Then after they got a date and all that, I heard again from Sanjay Mystery, November 30, 2020 at 3:21 p.m. when he stated that the meeting between Courtney and myself would be on December 11, 2020 at 11 a.m. Please feel free to review. Okay, thank you. This is the information that I had retrieved from the motion, okay, dated December 8, 2020. It was from Nancy Keating. Nancy is from the mediation group, Smith, right? Okay, and it is to Courtney Madison, NAIMARK law, Joanne, MANULIFE insurance, Amy, HICKS MORLEY law, okay, and she had indicated here that this mediation is scheduled for Thursday, January 2021 via Zoom, which for over a year they're trying to avoid because they said that Zoom was not safe, but yet they're going to have the mediation. Okay, now how can they have a mediation when I've never ever met with this lawyer, NAIMARK law, never ever sat down to discuss any of my cases? They made my cases their own. From my retained this lawyer in July 2019, now we are now an end of 2020 December, right, with a mediation planned, and we're not on the same page where my cases are concerned. Okay, please feel free to review. Thank you. I retrieved this information also from the motion, right? And it's dated December 7, 2020. And I said, where's my name? Because I'm seeing Courtney of NAIMARK, Joan Board of MANULIFE, and Amy Tibble of HICKS MORLEY law, and the date of Thursday, January 2021 for the mediation. You know, please feel free to review. The information here is so wrong. Okay. I received this letter via mail, and it was dated December 8, 2020, and immediately I recognized the deception. Industrial Alliance is missing. Remember the combined statement of claim? Okay, they only have Bell and MANULIFE. However, Courtney has stated that it would have been only long-term disability, which would be Industrial Alliance, okay? But wrongful dismissal would not have been included because they did not have those documents as yet it appeared on it, okay? And then it is saying mediation is for January 21st, 2021, and I'm not prepared. I just had it with this lawyer. I declined. Please feel free to review. Thank you. Please review presentation with details on the discrimination, deception of NAIMARK law firm. Thank you.